Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to delete or remove friends on Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to just click on the friends icon at the bottom right side of the screen. After you click on friends, you will see this page that is add friends button. So here you cannot remove friends but add friends. In order to remove your friends, you'll have to click on this leaderboards button at the right side from the top. Now you'll see all your friends appearing in this area. So if you want to remove your friend, simply click on their name and you will see a remove option appearing. Here, click on remove and it is going to ask you this. Are you sure? Do you want to remove this person as a friend? Simply click on remove and you will see that the person has disappeared from your friends list. So click on any one of the person you want to remove, select remove, click on remove again and that person will be removed from your friends on Monopoly Go. So that's the way you can remove or delete friends on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.